Oh, that was good. Oh, goodness sakes. So, did you get that on film? She looked right at the camera like... Hi. Whoa. Oh.
We're sitting here with the R15, which...
Hi, baby.
We're sitting here with the R15.
Can you say hi?
New car, but pretty much the team
Can you say mama?
How much does that experience really count?
Mama.
I think it's going to be invaluable in this
Say hi, Mom. What's new today?
We've got a new V10 engine, still fantastic torque and power.
Huh?
As you can see, it looks radically different.
That was a good try.
We're still learning about it, and you need to have a good experience behind you to work out the problems as this
The
race.
doggy gets you. Go, Charlie. Go on. Yeah, he got you. He got you right there.
So far, and we hopefully will have the same result as well. Thank you. Well,
Ooh.
good luck, Al.
Ooh. Got more than I bargained for there.
However, one of them not so mighty this morning. A problem with the
Ah.
we have heard reports.
Hi,
It is a
baby.
hydraulic problem. Jamie Howard's on the spot. Jamie, tell us more.
Hi.
Standing by Sebastian. The Peugeot is the car that is tested and tried both at Sebring and Lamar, but it's in the garage for the start of the race. What happened?
Do you have something you want to say?
We got a minor early issue, so changed the
Huh?
valve and fixed it, and then came back. So we're changing pretty much everything, and we start from pit lane. But
Oh, he almost got you, huh?
We'll be alright.
You
Yeah.
almost get a kiss from the brown dog.
Almost got a big sloppy kiss. Aw.
I've been doing this since 2000.
Oh, he's gonna come hang out with us.
And, I come back every time I
Charlie's
can.
hanging out with
I
us.
pull it off, so it's really exceptional.
Gonna chew his
to do this,
bone.
and that's one in the meantime.
He's gotta hang out and sit with the baby.
Sebastian Bourdais, he has a very busy schedule. He gets on a plane tomorrow for Melbourne, Australia.
To snap and get your credit card debts negotiated down to a fraction of what you owe, saving you thousands of dollars with a lower, easier monthly payment. So if you have $7,500 or more in credit card bills, Debt Group is helping you too.
Oh.
Call now to find out how much we can reduce your debt. Call
Goodness
800-440-5703. That's 800-440-5703. Got an HD TV? Well, your new HD TV will show you and see a crystal clear picture up to 6 times the
Say hi to
resolution of
everybody.
regular TV. Enjoy over 400 HD options, including
Say
HD
hi,
on
Aunt
demand.
Connie.
With the best HD movies,
Hi,
shows,
Aunt
sports,
Connie.
and more, you can watch anytime you want. So stop by your local charter center today, trade in your digital box, and bring home the best HD service for just
Say
$5
hi,
a
huh?
month.
However, it was not
So
that
what
way.
do you have to
Take a
say?
look at some video here, and it's not very nice video if you're Austrian Richard Leach. Keep in mind, this young man has won the 24 Hours of Le Mans. He's a very accomplished driver.
You can do it.
And perhaps just pushing it a little too hard, and then he forced his team and his mechanics to work even harder. Jamie has more on the
Ow.
team.
It was Dirk Berger that posted that full time. But Dirk got in the car this morning following that
Oh,
crash.
goodness
Everything okay
sakes.
behind the wheel?
Yeah, the car was done fantastic.
He's got coughs and sneezes and yawns.
And I have to say the guy really did a great job of preparing the car and repairing the car. And so far everything seems really perfect. And I'm looking
Oh,
forward to it.
honey.
Now it is a 12-hour race, which is physically draining on both you. Tough on the car. What can we expect?
I think it's really hard to say what we can expect. I mean, there's so many things that can happen.
coughing it
You
up?
have to overtake a lot of cars during the 12 hours. A lot of cars
Huh?
overtake you.
Coughing it
A
up?
lot of pit stops have to happen. So, I mean, there's
Oh,
It's just a nice finish.
those coughs just keep getting you, huh?
A little bit of lime zest, and I'm going to add the juice of a couple of limes. If the
Oh,
one towards
oh,
the top feels fast, the tongue towards
He got you, didn't he?
the tart.
Did he get your hand? I think he cleaned up your hand for you. Oh yeah, it's clean.
Got a lot of tongue twisters in it.
It's all clean with dog spit.
As we all know.
Yummy.
Persevering. Juice the lines
Don't want to
down.
know what else Charlie cleans
These
with
are
his tongue.
fantastic.
Yeah.
Nasty. You
Nasty.
can see from all the juice pouring out of them. If the lime feels like it's going to be stingy with its juice,
Ah.
in the microwave for 10 seconds. That's a good tip. Always get the juices.
What else Charlie cleans
These
with
are
his tongue?
fantastic.
Yeah.
Nasty. You
Nasty.
can see from all the juice pouring out of them. If the lime feels like it's going to be stingy with its juice,
Ah.
in the microwave for 10 seconds. That's a good tip. Always get the juices flowing.
Ah.
Go. Nice bright lime juice. Grab a couple avocados. You know, I've always, if I bring home an underripe avocado that it doesn't have a nice gift to it, I've always put them on the countertop. You know that means
No, see, I just got up. Oh, but yeah, you got up a little while ago and now you're ready for a nap, huh? Yeah, you don't last long. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? What do you have to say to mommy? Oh, God.
Food stuff.
Oh, goodness gracious. Got little coughs and little yawns. Oh my goodness.
There's a showcase here for all the technical stuff that we work on at EM. It's just a great venue. It doesn't seem like it's been 100 races.
Oh,
It seems
what's the
like
matter? You want to get out?
But I mean, the math is pretty simple. Fact is, it is.
Want to get out of
And
there?
we've been pleased with our participation. We're proud to have been part of it, and look forward to a long future here with it.
Oh goodness, is someone getting sleepy?
Yeah, we are
Time to
counting
sleep.
down to the start of the 57th
So you go to
race,
sleep.
but only 12 hours
Tell
of
mommy
sleep
get out of my
by
face.
from Florida. The grid has been
Yeah, I think she's